Hello friend, how's it going? So today I'm going to teach you how to do the back part of a paint, the back part of a drafting, patterning. So I already did the front part, you can check in the channel, and today I'm going to do the back part. It took me a while to do this video because I'm having a lot of work, so I do this video when I kind of have a time in between my sewing projects and going to the client. I take a little time to do this video, so please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment because your feedback really helps me improve my work and really motivating me to keep doing this video for you guys. So let's go to the board. I already have my paper here, and we are going to start. Okay, so let's get started. Here I got my board, my table. So this is the front part of your patterning. We are going to use that to do our back part of our patterning. So we need rulers, the same rulers that we use it to do the front part, that one and this one. This one is not much used for this part, so just with that one you can make it happen. Okay guys, so I recommend you guys to have a little weight like this to position above your paper. It's going to help you not mess around with the front part. Okay, so we are going to use the front part to help us to do the back part. You really need the front part to be able to do the back part. So let's start. We are going to get this line and we are going to pass through our paper this hip line, the knee line, and the hem line. And the waist line as well. As you can see here, I didn't cut this line of the front part because we need this hip line, this straight line to help us to do this part. And we are going to do the same in the bottom line, but my camera did not take the whole position here, so I'm going to move from the upper part and then to the back part. Okay, so take your measurements like I have mine here, and we are going to do the back part. We can start this from the hip measurement. We already have our front part there, so we have a little idea from our hip where our hip ends. So let's go. We get our hip part and we divide by 4, and here we are going to add 4 centimeters more for the sewing seam allowance, plus you add some 5 centimeters more for the ease, because if you just add the 4 centimeter, it's going to be too tight in your persona. So you can take this measurement when you are going to take this measurement from your client. You can already leave how much you want to be loose in this measurement here in the hip, or if you take it close to the body, you have to add some more measurement when you are going to do your patterning. So I'm going to add 4. This 4 centimeter is, I will mark here, 4 centimeters. This is this is a must. You cannot forget that. Even though you leave some measurement, when you take your measurement in your client, you need this because this is going to be for the sewing part. So I'm going to leave 4 plus 5 centimeters for the allowance to the body. So I have 124. You divide that by 4. So I have 31 centimeters. This measurement, I will position my tape from this part here to the hip line. So I have 31. I'm going to mark here 31. Here in the waist, you can go 4 centimeters. I have a little trick for you guys. I never saw that on YouTube or in any other kind of books that talk about measurements and patterns, but I do this in my trousers and it always fits amazing. So we position our ruler in the point here and 4 centimeters there, and we make a line. So I'm going to move up to my waist. My waist is 100 centimeters plus 4 centimeters and plus 2 centimeters. That is the details that I put behind. I forgot the name, but in the middle of the pockets you make a little kind of pleat, but it's not a pleat. Darts. Remember, you make darts, so you have 2 centimeters for the darts. Okay, and you divide that to 4 centimeters again. Mine is 26 and a half. We can make 27. And the little secret here is to be able to know how much you are going to go up here. You use this ruler and you take that measurement. Mine is 27. You find the 27 in the ruler, and what you are going to do is you go up in this line. So the ruler is in this line here. You are going to go up until you find your 27. Mine, in this case, mine is 27. If you are just 20 or 30, you still keep going up to find the 30, or you go down to find the 20. Okay, so mine is 27. I found mine here, 27, and you are going to mark the 27, and you are going to make a line here that is going to be your waist line. So here you can see that we went up 6.5 centimeters. A lot of YouTubers and videos that I find, people just go about 4 centimeters here, and then they find like their waist measurement. But for me, it never works to do like this, because when you are going to put your trousers, your button, it's showing up, so when you sit down it's too low. So I don't like that. I have made plenty of trousers for clients. I use this method and was the best for me. I used to do a lot of trousers to learn how to do, and something that I really have problems with was in this part here. So you do it, you test, you do, and you are going to see if you like that or not. Okay, but for me this is the best trick that I have learned. And now we are going to move to the crotch line, the back crotch line. You have like a couple ways of doing that. You can take this measurement from the point of your front crotch to the middle. You can divide that by 2. It's going to be 8, so you go 8 above. Or you can take your leg measurements. If you have thigh measurement, if you have 8 centimeters of thigh, you divide that by 6, and then you're going to have your measurement here. Mine is 30. So you go about 30. Using the thigh, your thighs measurement, it's more, let's say, it's more safe to do that. I think this client has 6 and not 8. So 6 divided by 6, we have 10 here. And why this is safe to do like this? Because if the client puts his trousers and you see that in the back part of his butt and tight part is a little bit too loose, you can go in your trouser, and if you sew this crotch line here, you can go inside a bit, and this is going to make it tighter. So you can adjust that. If you let it too much here, you sorry guys, you have a problem of being too much tight, and you don't have enough space to make it fit. So use this method that you are going to be good. Here in the back part, you use this ruler to make this line, and here you can go about 1 centimeters down, and you are going to connect this part here to there. You can use ruler, or you can make it by freehand, whatever it works best for you. Okay, so there we have it. Now we are going to move to the knee and back part and hem part. So I position my camera and let's keep going. So the knee part here, it's where it ends. We don't leave ease in the front part of our legs. We are going to leave the easy part in the back part of our legs. So we have 4 centimeters for the stitch part. So what we are going to do here, we are going to leave 2 centimeters in the front and in the back of our trouser. So the front and the back of our trousers, we are going to leave 2 centimeters. Some people leave it all to the front, some others leave all to the back. I prefer to distribute those measurements because it fits better, in my opinion. So you connect from the hem to the knee with a straight line. From the knee to the crotch, you use your ruler like that or like this. Sometimes like this works best. So connect like that and connect the back part as well. You can do like a bit like this, and like this. Okay, so knee 2 centimeters. If you want to leave 3 centimeters for a little bit of ease, if you have some doubt if the pants is going to be good, or if the client sometimes want it to be larger, we always leave some measurements here, because this measurement you can leave all the front. You don't need to distribute because it's not too much. And sometimes even here we leave a little bit more, because it's best to do that. Some clients, maybe they want to change, they want to leave it a little bigger, so you need cloth to do that. So this is some safe part that we do it most for ourselves, tailors, because if you mess this part, your client sometimes you will complain, and we don't want any problems with our client. Okay, so this is the back part of our trousers. We can take the front part. Now you can see the full and the only part, that is the back part. Here we are going to put our pockets. I go about 7 centimeters down here, 7 and 7 and 6 here. So this is, so our pocket usually is 14 centimeters, and in the middle is the dart. So you can put the dart here. So this is our trouser, and that's it, guys. This is the back part of our trouser. So now we just cut around and we have our trouser made. Front part and back part. We have the front part in the channel and we have the back part in the channel. So guys, that's it. That is our newest video on the channel, how to do the back part of your trouser. So I hope you, if you are still here in the end of the video, please leave a comment, like this video, subscribe, and if you have some doubt, you can always ask me. You can always ask for some others videos. I will be happy to guide you, and I will be happy to take this doubt away from you. I'm finished this video right here because this is our newest machine. As you can see, still have some plastic here. I didn't remove it. I'm going to remove it in the next video, where I'm going to introduce you guys and show you guys what I'm thinking about this machine. It's a really complete machine. This is 100% electric machine, and I'm really happy with this accomplishment, that is to buy new toys. So that's it for today, guys. See you guys in the next video.